Hello friends, I hope all are well. Yeah, I am doing great. Today I am going to share with you Bangladesh wins against West Indies in T20 format. This series was really amazing, especially in T20 format. When Bangladesh loses three consecutive matches in ODI against West Indies, that is really bad news for us as a Bangladeshi cricketers fan. Actually, I expect that Bangladesh will win a single match at least, but they did not do it. But that is past. Now I did not focus on it. I want to focus only T20 series. That is really amazing series, especially in T20 format in Bangladesh. You know that West Indies is a big team in T20 format. They are really tiger. They are really uh, really dangerous in T20 format, but they did not get any respect in this format against Bangladesh. Bangladesh dominate this format very well. For that, they win three matches and they uh, did Bangladesh. That is really good news for us, especially younger players. They played very well. I want to mention a single name, Zakir Ali Onik. He played very well in last match. Actually, we feel a lack of hard-hitter batsman in T20 format. Now we got it. He is none other than he is Zakir Ali Onik. Actually, we have to nurses him very well, then he will become more dangerous. Okay, thank you everybody. Stay with me. Uh, Thank you everybody. Support me.